What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock. So guys, we'll be going over the trade update, that the position that I opened on Friday. I talked about it, all of it on Friday as well before even I opened the position actually. So check that out on my channel, the video. And in this particular video, most importantly, what you have seen on the thumbnail, can SMCI hit 691 to 16, so 691 to $693, that's what this level is, right? Can SMCI come down here at $693 by Friday? We'll talk about all of those possibilities, and all in all, what is the price structure looking like and how's things going on, how I'm updating my position and all of that. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm just providing my opinion here, nothing more than that, okay? You are responsible for your own decisions and outcomes in the market. So let's start, all right? So remember what I was saying before even opening this play, that this is where I felt like there's this rebound coming, and then I would want to short in this rebound as it starts to curl lower, right? So before even talking about the position, I just want to show you a few things first here. This is the head and shoulder pattern on SMCI. We have taken, like, guys, so many plays. This is my 7th play on SMCI. And out of 7 plays, like, first one, so big profit. Second one, also good profit. Third one, yeah, stop loss, ran into stop loss. Fourth one, 50% profitable. This fifth one was $300 move that, I captured, and then this one, sixth one, was full 100% profitable, and this is the 7th play that I have opened on SMC on the short side. So the thesis of going into this play particularly was that, so if I go to the hourly interval, that I wanted to see a break of the structure of this, particularly the trend line, and then going in at one of these levels. So I got in at, almost, 900, and, this is where the range is, 920. And even though I was, I don't like opening positions on Friday, but it opened, and technically I'm fine, I'm happy, it's been making me money. And because I placed the order, because I wasn't really wanting to miss out on it if I get the position right. And yep, so far looking great to me. And then there were a couple of criterias for this though that I was watching to happen first. So the things that I was definitely looking for is, most importantly, the break of the trend line. We were already below 200 hours moving average, so I was watching for that weakness, right? And we went up today, however, we are still rejecting, right? So we are still below 200 hours moving average. And on the daily interval, it has given me that curve after a rebound that I would really like to see as a confirmation as well, right? So it did a rebound, rejected, and is constantly rejecting even the today as well. You can see the overhead resistance of 50 days moving average. So guys, we are already in this downtrend, and the levels at the right now, the demand zone where I am keeping my eyes, because so $870, so $855 to $870 almost has been a little bit of a demand zone here. This is where my previous stop loss also ran into, right, in one of the positions. So this has been a demand zone. So if we lose this level, even if we start to lose 870 and close a candle like this, yeah, it will continue to $693. That's where the next level is. So this is a flush zone. So it all depends if by tomorrow this can break below $870, and the way the market is looking, the whole market is selling off. I don't think that's impossible. It's very likely that we would receive this, short play here, all the way down to 693 almost, and I think that's very likely to happen and very much in play. Is there any upside possibility that SMCI can do what it has to do for that? Guys, right now SMCI will only be bullish if it gets above 945. That's where the structural shift is. If 945 can't be recaptured by tomorrow, it's gonna continue to fall lower and lower. We have to see if it zigzags here, but I think even if it zigzags, it has just 80% probability of still continuing to fall, okay? That's where I'm sitting with SMCI, that it will continue to go lower and lower, right? So yeah, so these are the levels to watch, guys. 870 and then 855. These are the levels to watch. And below that is the level of 693 is what I'm watching, and yes, that's possible. I'm not seeing any uptrend. That little bit of rebound that I was expecting due to this a good green candle that came pretty much as how I expected, that okay, expect some couple of days of it going up, and then yep, got the break of structure and we have been going lower. So all in all, great play. I'm loving it. In the money already, so that's all. That's awesome. Yeah. Before wrapping up, I just want to quickly show you Nvidia. I did one video in the morning on Nvidia. I'll be doing another one once the market has closed as well. But so far, yeah, this has lost that pivot, right? And it has been selling off. So yes, it is back on the bearish side. And look at it, how well it has been holding our levels. More, I'll talk about this, guys. When I say holding our level, I mean it's reacting around it. Rejected, tried to react here again, rejected, and then breaking the levels lower and lower and lower. Right now, trying to still react and find some support at our next level, but it's failing, so it's going to the next level. So you have to see the price action at these levels, and these levels could also be taken as the targets for if you have a position, then take some out in the lower places, right? If you're shorting, and so for the upside as well. But these tools, if you need access to these tools, my tools are in the description below of this video. Now, I just want to show you QQQ and SPY as well in this video. Yep, they have been plummeting. I have been saying this is in the distribution phase and will continue lower. QQ massively in a distribution phase, and yep, guys, in my opinion, nothing changes. It's gonna continue lower and lower. SPY, the ship has turned and it has a room to continue to fall. Both QQ and SPY might test 200 days moving average, right? So that's that. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's all for this video. Most importantly, I want to cover SMCI here, and I think yep, this has it's very possible for it to continue lower to 693 almost, where the level is by the end of this week. That is Friday. So, all right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.